You're gonna want to watch this video before you clean your coins because we're gonna be showing you a few coins that one of the coins was cleaned and one was not, and there is a huge value difference in these coins. Now the reality is there are some really safe ways to clean your coins without damaging them permanently. Now usually if the coin is beyond saving and it's completely dark, hard to see, then sure, it's okay to clean the coin and it actually might increase the value of the coin. But most of the time, especially if you are not an expert coin cleaner, you are going to decrease the value, destroy the coin. So personally, we recommend against doing that. Do not clean your coins. But in this video, let's look at this coin that sold on eBay for $2,229. So this is a 1955p double die obverse coin graded by PCGS AU Details. So being able to detect a cleaned coin takes some time, but essentially the best way is going to be buying some cleaned coins or cleaning coins yourself so you can tell the difference of a cleaned coin and not. I'm able to spot out a cleaned coin simply because I've handled so many clean coins during my time collecting that over time you just start to know what a clean coin looks like. Typically it's going to be the way the light strikes the coin. It's going to look very consistent and muddled. It's just not a good look versus a coin that's not cleaned is going to be very shiny and lustrous in different areas. Now I'm going to show you a type of cleaning solution that is safe that I'll show you here in a bit, but let me show you this coin for example. Now this is a similar type of coin. This is a 1955p wheat cent penny, but it does not have the doubling on it. If this coin had doubling on it, it would have sold for a lot more money, but the reason why this specific coin sold for $38,400 is because it was graded so highly by PCGS at a mint state 67 plus red. So if this specific coin, for example, you come across this coin in a collection and you don't know any better and you clean it, you're literally destroying tens of thousands of dollars worth of value. That's why you have to be very safe. If this was a double die obverse coin, it would have brought a lot more money than $38,400. That's for sure. But let me show you some of the safest coin cleaner out there. This is called Easy-est Coin Cleaner. Now please be very careful when using this. Read the instructions, test it out on coins that are not rare and valuable before you end up destroying your coins. But you guys asked how to clean the coins. This is the solution right here, Easy-est Coin Cleaner. I do have a link down below. It's for all the supplies that me and my team use at Old Money Prices, but when in doubt, it's best not clean the coin. Leave it as it is unless you have practice and experience cleaning coins. If you want to learn more about rare coins and paper money, hit that subscribe button and check out the channel. We'll see you inside the next video.